One of the things that Pitco does to reduce end user labor costs is the addition of built-in filtration systems to the fryers themselves. As mentioned previously, the more frequent you filter the oil, the longer it'll last. And it'll also help, number one, the life of the oil and the life of the fryer as well, and give you the ability to produce a superior food product. With built-in filtration systems, it's a very simple two-lever operation on your standard filtration. The high-end filters have automated filtration where you just push a button and it does the filtration. So those steps of having simple, easy to operate filtration systems end up save a lot of labor in the restaurants, because someone is not having to roll out a portable filter to do the filtering, nor are they having to do the manual process of draining through strainers or whatever else that could be potentially dangerous in order to do that oil filtration. So if you want to talk about some of the things that Pitco has designed into their fryers to help mitigate costs for preventive maintenance or any servicing, some of the things that we do, we really strive to make the equipment 100% front serviceable. That alone eliminates a lot of problems in a restaurant. If you have a service tech come in and he can work on the equipment from the front, as opposed to getting in the back of the equipment, it makes that whole service call much quicker. Some of the things that we do on the equipment itself, if you buy our gas fryers in either the Solstice line or the Solstice Supreme line, those fryers come with a self-cleaning burner system. What that burner system does is when you turn the fryer on in the morning, it automatically self-cleans itself. As opposed to the flame coming out the face of the burner and going in the tube, the flame burns down inside the burner itself and incinerates any lint, grease, or dust that may have collected on the burner face. That one step alone gives that fryer a daily tune-up, which eliminates the need for expensive preventive maintenance or cleaning of blower wheels, things like that. It also helps the fryer maintain its efficiency throughout its life as well. So that's a built-in feature that's on the fryer itself, and operationally it happens every day. People don't even know what happens. When it comes to technical issues, as well as making the equipment front serviceable, we do simple things like we have unions on either side of the gas valve. So if you had to change a gas valve in a fryer, it's less than 5 minutes to undo it, put a new one on. To reach the pilot burners on the fryers, everything's wide open. The service man can get in there and have two hands on the components that he's changing. It's just very, very simple to do. Another feature that we have is what we call a matchless ignition system, where if you have a fryer that has electric controls on it, a gas fryer with electric controls, we have a matchless ignition system where when you turn the fryer on in the morning, the pilot will spark, light itself, and the pilot will stay on all day long. So that whole electronic ignition system only has one duty cycle per day, whereas conventional electronic ignition systems used by most other manufacturers, they probably have a duty cycle anywhere from 600 to 1,000 times a day. So by ours having one duty cycle, those components and that system is going to last a lot longer than comparative models.